Hi friends, today we discuss about that price elasticity of demand or elasticity of demand. So what is the price elasticity of demand? It means the elasticity of demand means the response of the demand to change in the price, and it measures how much that quantity of demand changes in that response of the quantity of demand changes to the change in price level. It means the response of the demand to change in the price level. In the simple demand analysis, we can study there is relation between price and quantity of demand. In the basic demand analysis presents there is relation between price and quantity of demand. But in case price elasticity of demand, we can calculate particular how much changes in quantity of demand due to changes in price level. With the help of this equation, we can calculate elasticity of demand. ED means that elasticity of demand. The equation is change into Q divided by change into P by Q. Means change in the quantity of demanded over change in price level into old price divided by Q. We can calculate the price elasticity of demand. The next section we can discuss the types of price elasticity of demand. Types. What are types of the price elasticity of demands are there? The first one, perfect price elasticity of demand. You can see in the diagram, in the first diagram, the OX horizontal axis presents the quantity of demand and OY vertical axis present that price level. There is no change in price or small portion change in prices, but in the quantity demand changes from OQ to OQ1. You can see if there is no or small portion changes in OP price level, but response to the demand to these changes in the price level from OQ to OQ1. This much of the response of the demand is there. This is the perfect price elasticity of demand, and we can call as the price elasticity of demand is equal to infinitely changes in the quantity of demand. This is called as a perfect price elasticity of demand. The next second one is more price elasticity of demand. In this diagram we can see in the initial price level is OP level is there and quantity demand is OQ. If any price in the price level decrease from OP to OP1 and quantity of demand is changes in from OQ to OQ1. When price decrease, demand is increase. But here the changes, the degree of or changes in the quantity of demand is, this portion is more than the changes in the price portion. So Q2 Q1 is more than P1. That's why it is called as a more price elasticity of demand. Elasticity of demand equal to more than 1. This is the second one. And third one is, we can see unitary price elasticity of demand. Here initial price level is OP and initial quantity of demand is OQ. Suppose the price decrease from OP to OP1, quantity of demand is changes from OQ to OQ1. Here we can see this portion, changes in the demand and changes in the price, both level are the proportion same. That's why this is a unitary price elasticity of demand. Elasticity of demand equal to 1. And fourth one is less price elasticity of demand. Means when changes in the prices, the quantity of demand, changes in the quantity of demand is less than changes in the price level. This diagram will tell. Fourth diagram. See, we can see that initial price level is OP, initial quantity demand is OQ, and suppose price increase from OP to OP1 and quantity demand in the changes in the quantity demand from OQ to OQ1, but Q2 Q1 is less than P2 P1. Therefore that elasticity of demand is less than 1. And last one is imperfect elasticity of demand. It means, you can see in this diagram, suppose any changes in the price from OP to OP1, changes in the price level, but there is not any changes in the quantity of demand. Demand is constant. If there is price decrease or increase, but the quantity of demand is not any changes, we can call as a elasticity of demand equal to 0 or imperfect elasticity of demand. I hope you understood, and thank you for watching.